Welcome back to Car Vibes, where we break down the machines shaping the future of luxury and performance. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 BMW 7 Series, a flagship sedan that doesn't just raise the bar, it completely rewrites what the bar even is. This isn't just a refresh or a mild redesign. BMW has reimagined its top-tier luxury sedan in ways that fuse futuristic tech, bold styling, and performance engineering into one of the most compelling luxury cars of the decade. If you've been wondering whether BMW still has what it takes to dominate the executive sedan segment, the 2026 7 Series answers that with a confident, unmistakable yes. The first thing you notice about the 2026 7 Series is its presence. BMW has leaned even further into its progressive design language, giving the car a shape that feels both athletic and regal. The signature kidney grille remains, but it's been refined, more sculpted, with cleaner lines and a slightly more streamlined footprint. Flanking the grille, you'll see new adaptive LED and laser light hybrid headlights that are slimmer, sharper, and more expressive than ever. They give the car a piercing, focused look that feels alive even before you start it up. The body flows with long, smooth contours, and BMW's aerodynamic tweaks help lower drag for better efficiency and quietness at high speed. The rear end gets a redesigned light bar, sharper angles, and an overall proportion that makes the car feel planted and powerful. It's long, wide, confident, and unmistakably BMW, built for a future where design and technology are inseparable. But a luxury flagship isn't just about how it looks, it's about how it carries you. And inside, the 2026 7 Series might be the most impressive cabin BMW has ever produced. Step inside and the entire car greets you with what BMW calls immersive living lounge luxury. Soft ambient lighting flows across the dashboard and doors, blending with a redesigned curved display that stretches across the entire front of the cabin. Every surface feels premium, whether you're touching natural leather, recycled vegan materials, crystal-cut trim, or polished metal accents. BMW has doubled down on sustainability without sacrificing any sophistication, giving buyers eco-friendly material choices that still feel ultra-luxurious. The tech experience is on another level. The updated iDrive system is faster, smoother, and more intuitive, paired with a new AI-driven digital assistant that responds more naturally to voice commands. Gesture controls return, but they're more accurate now, reading your movements with better sensors and improved algorithms. The infotainment system integrates seamlessly with smartphones and smart home systems, giving drivers more control than ever. BMW's new panoramic interaction display stretches across the dash, allowing passengers to interact with the car using customizable widgets. The 7 Series even features BMW's theater mode for rear passengers, with a massive fold-down 8K display, enhanced surround sound, and reclining executive lounge seats with built-in massage, heating, cooling, and memory settings. If you've ever wanted a private jet experience on four wheels, this is it. Performance has always been a core part of the 7 Series identity, and the 2026 model doesn't disappoint. BMW offers multiple powertrains, including mild hybrid gasoline engines, plug-in hybrids, and fully electric variants. The updated V8 and inline-6 engines deliver smoother, cleaner power thanks to BMW's latest hybrid technology. Meanwhile, the electric 7 Series models benefit from improved battery density, giving them more range and faster charging. With instant torque and near-silent operation, the electric version transforms the 7 Series into a whisper-quiet luxury cruiser that still delivers sports sedan acceleration. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system remains standard on many trims, giving drivers reassuring grip in all weather conditions. Ride quality is another major highlight. BMW has enhanced its air suspension system with predictive scanning technology. The car uses cameras and radar to analyze the road ahead, adjusting damping and ride height before you even experience uneven pavement. Whether you're cruising through the city, stretching out on the highway, or navigating tight curves in the mountains, the 2026 7 Series feels controlled, balanced, and effortlessly smooth. Rear-wheel steering improves maneuverability, allowing a long luxury sedan to turn with the agility of a much smaller car. Combined with active roll stabilization, the 7 Series delivers a driving experience that is as comfortable as it is confident. Safety gets a major overhaul too. The 2026 BMW 7 Series includes Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities in select regions, allowing hands-free operation under certain conditions. Multiple sensors, LiDAR, and advanced AI prediction tools make the car more aware of its surroundings than any previous generation. It can assist with lane changes, braking, and parking with unprecedented precision. BMW has even implemented enhanced biometric features, facial recognition to unlock the car, fingerprint start options, and driver fatigue monitoring that gets smarter the more you drive. Of course. No BMW is complete without that signature driving feel. Even with all the luxury and high-tech upgrades, the 2026 7 Series maintains the soul of a performance sedan. Steering is sharp and responsive, acceleration is immediate, and the chassis tuning blends comfort and sportiness in a way only BMW truly masters. Whether you're the one behind the wheel or sitting in the back being chauffeured, the 7 Series makes every trip feel special. What makes the 2026 BMW 7 Series truly stand out is how it blends tradition with innovation. It respects BMW's heritage, the performance engineering, the iconic design language, the craftsmanship, but it pushes the limits of everything a flagship luxury car can be. It's smarter, more efficient, more luxurious, and more futuristic than anything BMW has made before. This car isn't just transportation. It's an experience, a statement, and a glimpse into what the next era of luxury mobility looks like. So, if you're in the market for a top-tier luxury sedan and want something that delivers the perfect blend of technology, style, comfort, and performance, the new 2026 BMW 7 Series is a car you absolutely need to experience. BMW has proven once again why the 7 Series continues to be a benchmark in the automotive world. Thanks for watching Car Vibes, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 BMW 7 Series, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest automotive breakdowns.